Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can change language of your MAXCOM phone. To do this, you have to click on the arrows to open the menu. Then you have to scroll until you find settings. Click OK to enter. Then we have to go for the phone settings. Next, select language settings. Right now we can switch display language and the keyboard language, so let's switch the display. First option is set up to the automatic language, but here we can scroll down with the arrows and pick any language that we want. That's actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 different languages. Let's stay with the English. Click OK to confirm, and at the bottom we can switch keyboard language. That's also 6 languages. Then you can just simply go back. And that's all for this video. Hope you like it. Remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.